Hello, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock this device without the password. Okay, in the beginning I will also say that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that might be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical, so have that in mind. Alright, now we have two methods how we can unlock this device without the password, and let me show you those two methods. But for the first method, let's pretend that this phone isn't locked, but don't worry, the action that I'm going to show you and all the steps, anyway you have to repeat them on any other device, not on your Samsung but on your other device, because you know this phone will be locked, so we won't be able to do anything. So on your other device, open up your Chrome. Now type find my device. Also make sure that on your browser you are logged into the same Google account on which you were logged in on your Samsung. Now click on find my device, select your Galaxy S25, and now we need to click on factory reset device. Remember that all of your data will be erased permanently. You can read about it in here. Also, after the reset, the device location will not be available in the Find Hub, and if the device is offline, erasing will begin once it's online again. Also, I will tell you right now that in both of the methods that I'm going to show you, you will lose all of your data. So if you don't have a backup, you won't be able to restore the data. And actually, when your phone is locked, you won't even have a possibility to create a backup. So now click on next. Now wait a little bit, and now we need to verify using our screen lock and our password to Google account. But I'm not going to do it right now because I have other method to show you. And now if you type your password and if you do everything properly, then your device will be turned off, then turn on again, and the next thing you need to do is to basically set up your device. Alright, and now the second method, just like I have told you. And for this method we're gonna be using the recovery mode, and also to get access into the recovery mode we need to have our phone plugged in into the PC or a laptop. You can also use the MacBook, don't worry, it works on the Mac OS and on the Windows. So grab the USB-C cable and now plug in your device into the PC. In here it doesn't matter, we can click on deny, and now if you want to now also let's lock the device. If you want to normally turn off the device when you have the screen lock, you will have to type the password. In our case we don't remember it, but don't worry. We're gonna use the force restart. So now let's hold the power button and the volume down button until the device is turned off, and then we need to hold the power button and the volume up button. So let's keep on holding first the volume down and the power button. Let's keep on holding. Okay, now let's hold the power button and the volume up button. We need to hold it for, I don't know, around maybe 1 minute to 2 minutes. It's gonna take a little bit, so simply be patient and keep holding both of those buttons. Keep on holding, don't worry, it's gonna take a little bit, but it is necessary. Okay, the Samsung logo appeared. Let's keep on holding. Okay, and now finally we are in the recovery mode. It took a little bit, but it is necessary. Now, how to move around this menu? To move and to navigate through the recovery mode, we use the volume keys, as you can see. And now we need to select wipe data / factory reset. Now we use the power button to confirm the selected option. Now again, volume down, select factory data reset, and also remember that in this method you will lose all of your data permanently. Okay, so now select factory data reset, click on power button. You can now see on the bottom of the screen that data wipe has been completed. Now select power off or reboot system now, confirm by clicking the power button, and now just like in the previous method, the device will be turned on, and the next thing we need to do is to simply set up our device. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.